tutorial for my multiple bomb jumps. Let's get into it. So first things first, you're gonna need a gold prank bomb and generate super fast. Like look how many times I can spam this. Okay, so you can do this in your flock or out your flock, but I normally do them both. Okay, so you can either look down or like upwards. So all you have to do is hold jump and then press your screen. Or then press like I press under your arm, I think. Let's see if under your arm works. I can just walk forward. You can't do it like that because like when you jump in place it. That's how it works. I'm gonna do the butt down. If you can't do it under your arm, just go on top and then press the front of your character and then wait and time to jump. It doesn't work that good actually. Wait, what? Wait, I'm trying to do it actually up there. Boom, just like that. Don't mind my Spider-Man outfit. I just bought it in the car.